Hello everyone, welcome back to our RoboSphere YouTube channel. It can make lights blink, it can read sensors, it can control motors, and it can even make decisions. And we are going to teach how to do all of that. This is Arduino UNO, and this tiny board is about to give your circuit something they have never had before. That is a brain. Think back to our last two episodes. You learned how to build a real circuits using breadboard, battery, resistor and an LED. And you used Ohm's law to choose the resistor. And you built a circuit that actually worked. But they had one problem. Our LED could only do one thing. That is turn on. It couldn't think. It couldn't decide to when it turn on, it couldn't decide to when it turn off, and it definitely couldn't listen to you. But this will changes everything. Instead of simply giving our circuit power from battery, we are going to give it to instructions. We will connect this Arduino to our LED and a resistor. And then we are going to write our very first program. And here the cool part, you can tell LED exactly what to do. Blink slowly, blink quickly, turn on, turn off. Later you will make your circuits react to the world around them. So you are not just building a circuit anymore. And you are building something that can think, respond. So this is the point where electronics starts becoming robotics. So ready to give your circuit a brain. So what is an Arduino? A simple answer, Arduino is a tiny computer that can control the real worlds. But you might hear a big technical name for it, a microcontroller development board. So let us make it simple, microcontroller. So first microcontroller, think of this as the brain. It can run instructions, it can remember your program, and most importantly, it can talk the things outside the computer, and it make things happen. And what is development board? So this actual microcontroller chip is tiny. If we wire to use this chip itself, working with it would pretty difficult. So Arduino gives us this. So the whole board that makes the chip easy to use. It gives a USB also. So this is the USB, and here you can see the USB port is there. And now you can see this. This is the USB port. And now I connect this USB to my Arduino board like this. And after I connect to this my lap, you can see when I connected to my lap, you can see the power is on. Okay. And even this tiny LED that we can control the code, and basically Arduino takes a tiny computer brain and gives us easy way to connect to the real world. And that is why Arduino is so popular for beginners. You don't need to build the computer first. The computer is already here. You just have to tell it what to do. Now let's meet the important parts of this board, and don't worry, you don't need to remember everything today. Just know what this main part is to do. The first one is, I already tell, the USB port, that is the communication cable, and the USB port, they have this where the computer connects to the Arduino, and this little cable does two important jobs. The number one is it can power the Arduino, and number two is sends your program from the computer to the Arduino. So one cable is there, so gives its power and gives its instructions. Okay. Next, this tiny red light, and this one marked as on, and when it's glowing, your Arduino has power. So think of this is Arduino's and an alive light, and if you don't see it, check the USB cable power connection first. Okay. Now look at the whole row. These are the digital pins 0 to 13. I want to think of this as the Arduino's hands. Why? Because they can send signals out or receive signals in. For example, an output can tell LED on, it will on or off. An input pin can listen to these buttons. Okay, did you press me? So this Arduino can talk to the outside world and listen to it. And on this side, these are analog pins. We have 6 pins, A0 to A5. These are the analog inputs. Here the easiest way to understand them. Digital is like a light switch, on or off, and analog is more like a dimmer. It can detect different levels, more light, less light, more temperature, less temperature, or the position of a knob. We will use these pins later. We start connecting sensors. And finally, this is the most important part, this black chip. This is Atmega 328P. This is actual microcontroller. Your program is stored here. When you write a code on your computer and press upload, your instructions travel through the USB cable and ends up. And then the little chip follow those instructions. Turn the LED on, wait for 1 second, then it on again, and that's how a simple circuit start becoming something much more powerful. So remember these 3 words: Arduino equals brain plus connection plus code. So we give it power, we give it instructions, and it makes something happen in the real world. And now let's make the little LED blink for real. But before we can tell the Arduino what to do, we need to give it a way to understand our instructions. So In the next part, we are going to install the Arduino IDE. The software, we will use it to write our code and upload to the Arduino. So we will set up step by step. So and then we will write our first program. So that is where the real fun begins. So see you in next episode, and thank you for watching our RoboSphere YouTube channel, and we will see you in the next episode. Bye.